Hi, my name is Rachel Hansel, and I'm the Education Director here at Robinson Film Center.
And my name's Rich Hansel, and I'm the Education Director here at Robinson Film Center. We're here to talk to you guys about Teen Film Council. Rachel, what is Teen Film Council?
Teen Film Council is our high school film program. We talk about film production, film theory, we talk about all the genres. What else do we do?
I think the best way to say is it's the class we wish we had had when we were in high school. It's for people that love film and people that want to make films, or even if you just love talking film and don't have a group to talk about it. It is a collective of students that really enjoy and love film.
Yeah, so in our experience level for our students kind of runs the gamut. Some of them are experienced filmmakers and have won awards at student film festivals, and some just enjoy film, love talking about it, and they're dipping their toe in, and there's a place for everyone in Teen Film Council.
A typical day is everybody walks in, we have snacks because you can't run a film set without craft service, and then we talk about what we've been watching. That's actually one of my favorite parts of the day because I get to learn about new movies from y'all, I get to see y'all learn about new movies from us, and then we don't just talk about the movies we're watching, we can sort of talk about the influences. If you're just getting into Tarantino, maybe you're not aware of the French New Wave film, and we're able to send you down that rabbit hole. After that, we settle into our talk of the day. That can be a genre talk from a visiting expert. Genre talks let you really explore what it is that makes sci-fi, horror, what are the tropes, what are the rules of the genre, and how are you best able to break them to tell your award-winning story. The other really fun part, we'll move into production stuff. So if you guys want to know camera, lighting, audio, all those things, all the nuts and bolts are really fun. We also bring in guest speakers from all over the industry. We want to make sure you guys get exposed to the depth and breadth that the industry has to offer. In the past, we've had people like Set Deck from the Walking Dead series, VFX supervisors from The Matrix, composers from Psych, working directors from here, people that shoot reality and fiction films that have come here, cinematographers. So we want y'all to know how many jobs are out there and also have a chance to talk to working professionals about how they got in the industry, what they recommend, where they see the industry going, and how they can help you. It's also important to start learning about networking now if you want to work in this industry.
So remember, September 6th, turn in your essay or your video essay on our website, robinsonfilmcenter.org.
Thanks, guys. We really look forward to seeing you this year.